Welcome to Future Cars. Building upon greatness, the Toyota Camry enters its ninth generation with a bold, fresh look, enhanced performance, and for the first time ever, an exclusively hybrid lineup. Designed and assembled in North America, the Camry continues to set the standard for mid-size sedans with power, style, and efficiency tailored for the modern driver. The new Camry's exterior design speaks volumes. From its sleeker, athletic look to its striking presence, every detail is crafted to captivate. Front design: a distinctive hammerhead front fascia commands attention, featuring a slim, full-width LED daytime running light bar. The bold surfaces and glossy black bottom mesh add to its road presence. Side design: a sporty silhouette with a sleek roofline and chiseled body gives it an athletic stance. Black side skirts and a fully black roof provide a graphic contrast, enhancing its elegant proportions. Back design: a powerful rear end boasts expressively designed lighting. The full-width flat LED lights with four narrow horizontal LED strips bring a modern appeal, while vertical lines improve aerodynamics. The SE rides on 19-inch black alloy wheels, while the Limited offers 21-inch dark metallic alloys as part of the advanced tech package. These wheels complete the Camry's premium look. The 2025 Camry is powered by two hybrid powertrains: a front-wheel drive system with 225 horsepower, an all-wheel drive setup with 232 horsepower, thanks to an additional rear motor. Both powertrains pair with a continuously variable automatic transmission, ensuring a responsive and fuel-efficient ride. While we'll miss the old V6, the hybrid powertrains deliver strong electric motor torque for everyday driving. Built on Toyota's TNGA platform, the Camry prioritizes noise reduction, vibration control, and ride comfort. Suspension tuning and strategic insulation ensure a refined driving experience, even on rough roads. With over 21 million units sold globally since its 1983 debut and more than 227,000 units sold in 2024 alone, the Camry continues to dominate as one of the top-selling vehicles outside of crossovers and pickups. The 2025 Toyota Camry combines style, performance, and sustainability, redefining what a mid-size sedan can be. It's ready to take on your daily drive with confidence and efficiency. If you love this breakdown, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more reviews on the latest cars. See you next time.